Water villa. Water belly.
Dance with me.
Just woke up here, and as you can see at the back, that's my hotel. Good morning, everyone. I am currently outside the UAE. No one knows. I was just bored and booked my ticket. When I'm feeling blue, all I have to do is take a look at you. And I'm not so blue. Day one today. It includes a free limo. So in Maldives, they call this as a limo. Welcome drinks.
Okay. On one?
Thank you. Yes, Maldives. Perfect place for honeymooners and for those who honeymoon with themselves. Water villa. Water belly. One of the water villas here, and of course I'm not staying here because I don't have money. So, I'm currently here in Maldives, and this is one of the water villas. Most of these villas are for honeymooners, but you know, I can also do honeymoon with myself. This is the problem when you don't know how to swim. You just stay in the corner. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to swim. I will try something later. I always dream to try flyboard. So this is the opportunity I've been waiting for. So I book the flyboard, and it's kind of raining today, so we'll be waiting for a while, for a bit.